this video, I will simplify the definition of what money exactly is. Money is any instrument of exchange that is widely trusted and accepted by everyone as the payment of goods and services. In other words, if everyone decides to accept a pen as an instrument of exchange for something they are selling, then this pen will become the money. Now you must be wondering, why was there even a need for it in the first place? Well, before the concept of money existed, there was the barter system. In this barter system, people directly traded one good for another. It could be seeds for hammer or clothes for food. If there was a barter system today, the world would probably be buying an iPhone for a sack of salt, or maybe 2, or maybe 1,000. It would completely depend on the seller's choice, since there was no standard of measurement in the system. But the problem people faced was that the barter system made transport of exchange products difficult. The most common thing the people bartered were commodities, and raised even bigger problems because most of them were either perishable items or difficult to store. This led to creating stamped precious metals in the form of coins as the medium of exchange for the products and services. But that did not solve the problems either, because of the weight. Over the years, precious metal coins got replaced by non-precious metal coins, plastic and paper, the currency we have today. With the invention of money, transactions in the society started functioning in a very structured manner. Today, global economies rely on money to facilitate on transactions and control inflation. What is inflation, you ask? Well, that is a topic for another day. If you are interested in knowing more about finance, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Find us on Instagram by typing Rebrid Money for one-liners. Till then, I am Anubhav. This is Rebrid. See you in the next video.